Hi my YouTube friends, and welcome back to my channel. I am Dee and you are viewing the How To Lady, and today I am excited because this channel focuses on organization, DIYs, and life hacks. And I would like to take you on a closet tour showing you how I redid my entire closet, taking out all that standard shelving and stuff and putting in my own stuff. I want you to see how I did that. If it's something you like, please stay tuned. If you see anything that sparks your interest, give it a thumbs up and subscribe below. We're going to get this ball rolling and we're going to knock it out of the park. Of the things that I wear, clothing, is stored in these bins. Here I have a lot of my things stored. At the very top I have some stilettos with a clutch. Moving on down, some Michael Kors items with a satchel and some shoes. I am a Zeta, so that's my Zeta shelf. I love Cinderella, have always been a Cinderella fan. Then I have another shelf that I call my crown gold. And so I have a lot of my rhinestones there. And then the bottom shelf, of course, that's my Just Fab and Coach items. So I'm going to move to the right of the closet. At the very top, I love heels. I love shoes. And this is a great way for me to store my heels. I have stilettos at the top, open toe shoes beneath that. Then, of course, more open toe shoes with an express sign. The next shelf, of course, a black clutch with more of your formal shoes, heels. The next is a variety of heels. I have some wedges there. I like to call them my throwback wedges, these red ones, and the animal print ones, and then of course a pair of Zeta heels there, and then more of my denim shoes and heels on this shelf, and then beneath that more dance shoes and a few more wedges, and then beneath that, if you all saw my video with regards to how to create storage for your belts, you remember this Prada box. I use it to hold my belts, so it's sitting on the shelf there, easily accessible. If you saw my video on the how to make a eyewear holder, this is the eyewear holder that is positioned in my closet, and it's very easy to pick out what I need and match up what I need to match it up with and head out on my day. And I must add that I ripped out the entire standard shelving that was on this wall, and I put in my own shelving. So I did have to measure and decide how I wanted this all to look, and it works fine. So here I have another Zeta shelf holding a lot of my Zeta paraphernalia and clothing articles and handbags. The next shelf, black fashion heels with a black satchel there. I have a few of my sunglasses on that shelf. The next shelf, I call it Take Me to Paris. Most of my pink fashion heels. I have a lot of ghost heels that I use in fashion shows. All right, and then I have another shelf that is housing a Coach bag that was a gift, and then a BB bag. I love my BBs. Then we get to my booties. I love a lot of the throwback Timberland boots, and I have a lot of those, so there's my collection there. And then black boots. Some of these are thigh-high boots, but we just folded them down so they would fit actually. All right, moving on up, back up again to my right. I love backpacks, so I have a collection of backpacks here, and I have them hanging on hooks on this wall, and they fit nicely in that little crevice. Here I have more of my boots. These are like knee-high boots. I wear them from time to time. Here I have more boots that are knee-high and thigh-high. Here I have a lot of my Jessica stuff. I don't buy a lot of her stuff, but when I do see something that I like, I try to purchase. All right, we have more wedge sandals. This is wedge sandals, and those remote controls that you see there, you'll see later on that I have pocket light highlighting various areas in the closet. I love the way the Fila sneaker fits. Love it, love it, love it. And so I purchased in a variety of colors. As you can see, I have red here, I have the white there, and then I do like Nike, so I have a few of those. I don't really purchase Jordan things like that, but I do have one or two pairs. More Nike. And then if you saw my video on how to store your sandals, this is the sandal storage unit that I put in, and it's working very well. I have some more sandals beneath. I'm a skater, so I enjoy skating from time to time, and those are stored there. I'm gonna focus on the center of the closet. So I have a faux fur white rug and a matching pillow and a chair where I usually sit to put on my items in the morning. It feels comfortable to get out of the shower, which my master bathroom is next door to this, and if you want to see a tour of that, you just let me know. And the bedroom as well. It's in this under shelf unit, and that's where I hold receipts and things, and I'm very conscious of making sure that I clean it out from time to time so that it won't get overrun with items that I need to get rid of. I have a Victoria's Secret bag there. That's a mirror that I DIY'd with an easel. If you want to know more about that, let me know. I was featured in a local magazine for fashion, and I DIY'd that frame. If you want to know more about that, let me know. This is another DIY that I did in my closet. This is a way for me to have a quick grab and go for my jewelry. And it just works perfectly. I just look over, see what I need. These are my more frequently worn items. Now, if you saw my video on the intimate apparel storage. This is what is in this unit here. I have socks, nightgowns. I also keep my ironing tools here, so I'll open that, and that's where I keep my iron and other things that are related to that. All intimate, more intimate apparel, and all of this is intimate apparel. And as you can see, I've taken the time to tag everything so I'll know what's in each bin, and I've adorned it with a faux rhinestone ribbon to hold that tag. All right, I think we covered everything. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns about anything that you've seen in this closet, please feel free to leave your comments, concerns, and suggestions below. I look forward to hearing from you. Until